Happy November, partners and sponsors. Jeffrey, Mr. Tech Raskin here. So here's what's going on. If you would like to go ahead and partner up with us on one of our CE classes with the preset dates, please feel free to do so. This is a great way for you to get in front of a bunch of agents to pitch your product and services. Other than that, you can also create your own date, time, the course, the fees that you want to choose, along with your co-sponsors to go ahead and help pay for the teaching services. We've been doing this for 19 years now. We will continue for a long time. We have a great reputation, 5 stars on Google. We'd love to go ahead and partner up with you on that one. Other than that, NAR members will now have a choice to stay an NAR Realtor member or to go ahead and leave the organization and choose not to be a Realtor member. We're going to go ahead and teach you and the agents all about this in one of our CE classes. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you very much. Have a great week and techie out.